A gas occupies a volume of 2.5 liters at a pressure of 2 atmospheric pressure and a temperature of 310 kelvins. If the gas expands to 5 liters and the temperature is decreased to 280 kelvins, what will be the new pressure? So, before we proceed guys, we have to identify first what is the variable and its values. So, let's read the question again. We have a gas occupies a volume of 2.5 liters. So that will be our volume or initial volume, which is 2.5 liters. So let's copy this so that we will not confuse during the process. So we have at a pressure of 2 atmospheric pressure, that will be our initial pressure, which is 2 atmospheric pressure. Then we have the temperature of 310 kelvins or our initial pressure, which is 310 kelvins. So to proceed, if the gas expands to 5 liters, so that will be our final volume, which is 5 liters. And the temperature is decreased to 280 kelvins. So we have final temperature, which is 280 kelvins. So before we proceed guys, since we have the variable and its values, we have to rearrange the formula first so that we can solve this. So to proceed, let's copy again the formula guys. We have P1 times V1 over T1 equals P2 times V2 over T2. So let's cross multiply guys. So we have P1 times V1 times T2 equals, cross multiply again, we have P2 times V2 times T1. So since our unknown variable is P2, so let's isolate this guys. So we divide both sides by V2 and T1. So V2 times T1 will be cancel out. So let's copy this because we divide both sides by V2 and T1. So we have the isolated P2. So this is will be our formula for this question guys. So I'm gonna rewrite this guys so that you will not confused. This is Tito guys ah. Let's put this on the right sides. We have P2 equals to P1 times V1 times T2 over 5 V2 times T1. So since we have the formula, let's substitute the values on each variable. So we have P1 which is 2, P1 here, and then let's move to V1 which is 2.5, and then we have T2 which is final temperature 280 times 280 over V2. Our V2 is 5 times our T1 is 310. So let's get a calculator guys to calculate this. We have our first we will calculate is the numerator. So 2 times 2.5 times 280. So we have 1,400 for our numerator. So let's proceed to the denominator guys. So we have 310 times 5 times 5. So we have 1,550. So 1,400 divided by 1,550 will be 0.903. So this is our final answer guys question for this question. Rather, we have 0.903 atm or atmospheric pressure.